Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Tutorials. In this video, I will show you that how you can fix your ping in Roblox. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So the first step I want to give you is to get an Ethernet connection to your laptop or your PC, because that will fix a lot of lag and it will make your game look smoother with less lag. And if you cannot get your Ethernet connected, what you can do is to sit closer with your router so you can get better signal quality and less lag. And still, if your lag is not fixed, I have another option. What you can do is to download this game booster that I have got for you. This will get rid of high ping, packet loss, spikes or jitters. Gear Up Booster will never let a poor connection stop your eye-catching game show. What you need to do is simply type in www.gearupbooster.com and then you can click on download for Windows. Or if you are playing on your mobile, you can download for your mobile even. And one more tip that I want to give you is to reduce your graphic quality. That will affect a lot your smoothness and lag, and you can play Roblox smoothly. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.